Micah, December 2020, one-liners 3. International. Recently, India and which country have signed implementing arrangement on humanitarian assistance and disaster relief? Singapore. The 10th meeting of the BRICS High Representatives on National Security was held virtually. The meet was hosted by which country? Russia. Which two Arab countries have signed the historic Abraham Accords along with Israel to normalize ties recently? Bahrain, United Arab Emirates. Recently, which state government has signed a 5-year memorandum of understanding with Denmark in the water sector? Gujarat. Fitch Solutions has projected India's GDP growth for 2020 to 21 at 8.60%. President of USA Donald Trump has announced Wilmington as the first World War II heritage city. Wilmington is situated in which state? North Carolina. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development has predicted the GDP of India will contract by 5.90% in the year 2020. Which country constructs the missile site at Kailash Manasarovar? China. Recently, the 5th BRICS Culture Ministers meeting was held under the chairpersonship of Russian Federation. The meet was represented by whom? Prahlad Singh Patel. India has granted fourth tranche of $5 million to Myanmar for the development of the India-Myanmar border area. Recently, which country chaired the G20 Foreign Ministers Extraordinary Meeting, which was held in the virtual mode? Saudi Arabia. Recently, the 35th session of the Food and Agriculture Organization, a regional conference for Asia and the Pacific 2020, was chaired under which country? Bhutan. What is the rank of India has been ranked in World's Risk Index 2020 among 181 countries? 89th. India has entered into a memorandum of understanding with which country in the field of intellectual property cooperation? Denmark. Recently, the ASEAN India Economic Ministers Consultations was held virtually. The meet was represented by whom? The answer is Piyush Goyal. Financial awareness. ICRA has projected India's GDP for FY21 to contract by 11%. Coal India Limited recently decided to invest over how much amount of the development of nearly 500 projects? 1.22 lakh crore. Recently, who has launched India's first exclusive product market for the renewable energy sector named Green Term Ahead Market? Raj Kumar Singh. Which state government received the nod from IRDAI to form its own insurance firm? Andhra Pradesh. Recently, Google has partnered with which country's Water Development Board to bring the flood warning services to the country? Bangladesh. Which bank has received Brandon Human Capital Management Excellence Award 2020, a global recognition for its HR initiative Nayi Disha, State Bank of India. Recently, which bank has partnered with Innovity to provide affordable options of banks' debit cards by Innovity POS terminals, Federal Bank? Which bank has launched a virtual property exhibition under the name Home Utsav recently? ICICI Bank. Which company has announced that it would acquire product design and development firm Kaleidoscope Innovation for up to $42 million Infosys? As per the Ease Banking Reforms Index 2.0, which bank has been placed at the first spot recently? Bank of Baroda. Which bank has decided to launch a loan product named Safal for organic cotton growers? State Bank of India. Which bank launches a full power digital savings account that can be opened instantly with video KYC in 4 simple steps? Axis Bank. The Asian Development Bank has estimated that the GDP of India is expected to contract by 9% in fiscal 2020-21. Recently, Titan Company has partnered with which bank to launch India's first contactless payment watches named Titan Pay? State Bank of India. Sports. Recently, who has won the Formula One Italian Grand Prix 2020 held at Autodromo Nazionale Monza, Italy? Pierre Gasly. Recently, who has won the Formula One Tuscan Grand Prix 2020 held at Mugello Circuit, Italy? Lewis Hamilton. Recently, which country has hired former Bermuda batsman David Hemp as the head coach of a national women's side? Pakistan. Who has won the men's singles Italian Open title? Novak Djokovic. Recently, former cricketer Ash Barty has won the Golf Club Championship. In women's single, Simona Halep has won her first Italian Open title. She is related to which country? Italy. Name the Mercedes driver who has won the Formula One Belgian Grand Prix 2020. Lewis Hamilton. Who has become the first Indian to win a Grand Slam singles main draw match in 7 years? Sumit Nagal. Valtteri Bottas has won the Formula One Russian Grand Prix 2020. He is related to which country? Finland. Who defeated the Victoria Azarenka of Belarus to clinch women's singles title in 2020 US Open tennis tournament? Naomi Osaka. Which cricket team reached the first position in ICC T20 rankings? Australia. Science and technology. Recently, China has launched successfully how many satellites into orbit from ship stationed in the Yellow Sea? 9. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched 9 highway projects and optical fiber internet services in which state? Bihar. Which IIT incubated startup Chakar Innovation has launched Chakar DECOV to decontaminate N95 mask, IIT Delhi. ISRO is scheduled to launch its Venus mission in which year? 2025. The successful flight test Abhyas high-speed expendable aerial target was conducted by which organization? DRDO. Recently, students of which IIT launched a free of cost mobile scanner, AIR scanner, IIT Bombay. A 24/7 toll-free medical health rehabilitation helpline, Kiran, was launched by which Union Minister? Thawarchand Gehlot. Which Union Minister virtually attended handing over ceremony of 3 sculptures at High Commission of India in London? Prahlad Singh Patel. India has ranked 48th in Global Innovation Index 2020. Which country has topped Switzerland? Who is the author of the book Azadi, Freedom, Fascism, Fiction, which is published by Penguin Books Limited? Arundhati Roy. Who is the author of the book Let Us Dream, which will be released in December 2020? Pope Francis. The book titled The Big Thoughts of Little Love is authored by whom? Karan Johar. Who has chaired the webinar on the first ever International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies? Prakash Javadekar. Every year, International Literacy Day is observed globally by UNESCO on 8th September. Bank of India has launched Signature Visa debit card on its 115th Foundation Day. Every year, World Suicide Prevention Day is celebrated on 10th September. The theme of International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer for 2020, Ozone for Life, 35 years of ozone layer protection. It is celebrated on 16th September. The World Water Monitoring Day is observed globally on 18th September. Who has virtually inaugurated Destination Northeast 20, a 4-day event to highlight the Northeast region's various potentials like ecotourism? Amit Shah. Every year, World Heart Day is celebrated on 29th of September to draw people's attention to heart's illness and the range of associated health illness. International Day of Older Persons is observed globally on 1st of October every year. The Minister of State for Youth Affairs and Sports, Kiran Rijiju, launched the Sports Authority of India's new logo, Delhi's Major Dhyan Chand Stadium. So, thank you.